Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send Capitec Ewallet or Capitec Cardless cash withdrawals. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Capitec mobile application, and once you do this, on the home page you will be able to see a bunch of different options like buy prepaid mobile, send cash, track money, transfer money, etc. Now for any reason if you are not able to find these options on the home page, then what you need to do is to simply sign in into your account. For that you need to tap on the sign in option, and after that you need to select as myself. After that, you need to provide your username and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then among the given options, you will have to tap on the option of send cash. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this send cash page where you can send cash to friends and families to collect for free at Capitec ATMs. So over here it will show you what you need to know. So you can spend up to 3000 rand per transaction. The daily limit is 5000 rand and you can send up to 24,990 rand per month. To collect the cash, the recipient needs the reference number and secret code and bunch of other information that you need to follow. So over here you just have to press the continue button in the bottom. Then you will be redirected on this page where first you will have to select your from account. Your from account will be the account from which you are going to send the cash. After selecting the account, you need to enter the amount, and afterwards you need to create a 4-digit secret code for this transaction. Then you need to press the send button, and on the next page you just have to complete your transaction, and this way you will be able to send Capitec e-wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.